Hi guys, this is Scott from Tours of Cleveland, and I'm standing inside of the old Cleveland Trust Company bank building. This, of course, today is the downtown location of Heinen's grocery store. And the good folks here at Heinen's are working really hard to make sure that all the shelves are stocked and people who live downtown have food to purchase. As you can see, this is a pretty amazing building. It is included on all of our walking tours that we offer. And this building actually opened in 1907 at the very end of that year, and when it did, it was the third largest bank branch in the United States. Now if you take a look at our murals that are here, they are done by a man named Francis Millet. Now Millet had a very interesting death. A little different. So your challenge is to figure out how Francis Millet died. And feel free to comment in the comments here if you figure out how he passed away. Anyway, hope to see you guys on a walking tour in the summer. Thank you and stay safe.